What's up, Shredders? It's your boy RJ here, back again with another video. So today we decided we were gonna be rebuilding what we affectionately call the drop that we have, the Janky drop, and just improving it and making it better because right now it's kind of crappy. I don't know if you can hear it. It is windy, very windy out, and I do not have a mic cover. I should invest in one of those if anyone wants to sponsor me or just give me some. I'm your guy. So right now we're walking back with part of the drop in the tractor, and we're gonna set her down. We already have 3 pieces back there, or 2 pieces back there, I'm sorry. And we're gonna put that last one back there, and then tomorrow we might do some more stuff. Hello, Shredders, welcome back. So we finished the drop quite a bit ago, and I even got to do some little bit of riding on it. Unfortunately, I kind of forgot to do a little build laps on it. Well, I didn't, but I accidentally videoed it, so that's like an hour. And unless you guys want to see an hour of putting this together, which is more exciting in a time lapse, I can put that in a separate video. So yeah, now I can show you a little bit of riding.